Welcome, friends. Welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. So I've been looking around trying to figure out what to do with this Disaronno Amaretto. To me, it is so typical 1970s, and I like the flavor, but I find it overly sweet. So I've been trying it in a bunch of cocktails to see what I like. So I went out and I found this one online. It's called Dolce Amaro. It is, it's on a lot of different cocktail websites, and nobody seems to give reference to where it came from. So let's just give it a try and see what happens. So 3/4 of the Amaro, and then 1.5 of vermouth, white vermouth, dry vermouth, 1.5 of the Campari, and that'll give a real bitter note to this. And ice our mixing glass and give it a stir. Okay, so I've got a chilled glass here, and I've had a lot of comments, people asking me why I put ice in the glass instead of sticking it in the fridge. Well, I will shoot 8 or 9 of these in a day, and I don't have 8 or 9 of these glasses, so I won't be able to chill them down quick enough in the fridge. You can do that definitely at home if you've got enough glasses. I don't. So I put ice in them. Now, I'm going to pour this in. We strain out the ice into this Nick and Nora. Okay, and there you have the Dolce Amaro. Let's give this a try. So off the top, wow, off the top, that's kind of strange. Off the top, I'm getting cherry. Right off the top, it's like a black cherry pop or cheer wine. If you've been to the American South or Mid-South, cheer wine. Smells like cheer wine. Kind of strange. Okay. No, that is not for me. Not for me, not for me, not for me at all. So on the nose, I'm getting cheer wine, maybe even a super sweet Dr. Pepper smell. But in the flavor, the Campari is just taking over. It's super, super bitter. But it's super bitter in a way that's really strange because there's still that sweet from the Amaro or the Amaretto or the Disaronno. That stuff is just sickly sweet. And it's in there, it's cloying, and then it smashes you in the head with bitter. Now, that's just my opinion. It's not for me. It may be for you. You may absolutely love this. I mean, it's a very pretty drink. It's nice and red. But no, that flavor is just not for me. So I'm going to strike that one off the list. Not for me. Tell me, do you like this? Have you had this cocktail? Is it something that you make at home? Is it something that you have had at a bar or a restaurant? And what do you do with Campari? Campari is really divisive. A lot of people find it too bitter. I find it too bitter in a lot of cocktails, and then in other cocktails I find it to be absolutely fantastic. So, thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.